Hi, this is Ebook. In this video, I will teach you guys how I produce this lovely and colorful swirl soap at my workshop. You can see how colorful and nice this soap looks like, having two colors, white and lemon. I'll teach you guys how I produce this and how it was achieved using my recipe and formulations. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video with those that you feel or think will want to learn how to produce colorful multi-purpose soap like this. So to my lovely viewers, just stay glued to your screen and see how to produce this at home. So just in case you want to see my recipe, this is my recipe over here with their measurements of each of the ingredients that I used to achieve this project. Don't forget, my recipes are very authentic. They are well carried out, well measured. So don't be scared on using my recipe to practice your own soap making at home. You know, they say practice makes perfect. So the more you practice, the better you get. Nobody can literally produce soap at once as a learner. You have to practice and practice. Even me, before I got to this level, I practice and practice. I practiced for over a year before I got to this level. So nobody can just start producing soap automatically perfectly like that. You have to practice. So practice and learn how to produce soap. So I'm going to warm the oil. It's better you warm your oil. Always warm your oil to avoid encountering a thick trace. Once the oil is warm, you can take it out of your heat source. The next thing I'll be doing is to add my sodium silicate. I'm making use of 300 grams of sodium silicate. Also, just for you to know, I conduct online classes. You can check the video description. You will find a link where you can join my class. There you can learn about the things you need to know about soap making. All the information you need as a learner, you will learn it at my online class. If you can't reach me through the link, then you can reach me through this phone number. Chat me up on WhatsApp so you can be added directly to the training group where you can learn how to make soap and become a pro. So at this point, I'm going to separate the soap. I will add some parts to these cups here. I'm going to scoop it. I tried pouring it into the cup and I noticed it was not entering in properly. It was pouring. So I had to use something and scoop it. I'll scoop some of the soap into these cups. Because I'm making a soap of two colors, white and lemon, I have to separate my soap. Some parts will have this one in the cups will have lemon color, then the soap in the basin will have white color. That is how to achieve a colorful soap. You separate the soap, use one part for the first color and the other part for the other color you want to be making. This is very easy and very simple. No, it's not complicated. Don't forget, my ebook is available. I have a book on soap making and other skincare formulation with household formulations. So if you need my ebook, reach me through that phone number on WhatsApp to purchase my ebook. My ebooks are very informative. If you want, if you won't be able to join the class, then you can purchase the ebook to learn more about soap making. Don't forget, if you need this ebook, reach me through that phone number to purchase it. So you can see what I'm doing. You can see how I'm pouring the soap inside. I'm using a particular pattern. You can use any pattern of your choice, but this is the pattern I like using. And over the weeks, we'll be making colorful soaps. So just get ready. If you are new to this channel, just subscribe. Click on the subscribe icon, click on the bell notification, so you'll be notified about my latest videos. This week, in the coming weeks, we'll be making very nice and lovely colorful soap. So if you want to learn how to make colorful soap, then just stick to this channel, follow me back to back, you will learn. Then this soap mold here is for sale. This equipment you are seeing here, this stuff here, is actually 10,500 naira. If you need it, you can reach me through this mobile number on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp or reach us on WhatsApp to arrange it and for purchase. To buy it from me, we deliver nationwide. Wherever you are in Nigeria, we can send this equipment down to you. Just reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. After 24 hours, this is the result of the soap. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful. I'm going to remove it from the soap mold. Don't forget, this mold is for sale. If you want to purchase this soap equipment, reach me through that phone number on WhatsApp so that we can send it down to your location. We deliver nationwide. This cutter you are seeing here is also for sale. If you need this cutter, you can do well by reaching me on the number I will be displaying on the screen of this video. It's 22,000 naira. We deliver nationwide. Wherever you are in Nigeria, we can send it down to you. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments. Drop your question in the comment section. I'll be there to answer. Drop your question. If you have any question about soap making, drop it at the comment section of this video. I'll be there to answer. Goodbye and see you all next time on my next video, and have a lovely day. Thank you.